What's up, everybody? It's McKee. Hope you guys are being safe and well and doing the best you can in this situation, but today I thought I would teach you a few magic tricks to keep you occupied, so let's begin. So we need a deck of cards for this trick, and to begin we're just going to learn how to do a riffle shuffle, which looks a little bit like that. Do that one more time, make it a little cleaner. There you go. Now what I'm doing here is I'm basically holding the deck with 3 fingers on the top of the deck. I have my pointer finger curled on top and my thumb on the other side. And what I'm doing is I'm creating pressure with my pointer finger, riffling off some cards, placing them in the other hand so they're mirrored, and then I just shuffle the cards like this. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And if you notice now, I just have cards interwoven, and this is a little tricky. But what I recommend is just bending the cards and letting them go. So once again, split 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and shuffle. And that's how to riffle shuffle a deck of cards. Great, now we know how to shuffle a deck of cards. We're going to try something else. Now, I have a prediction over here now. We're going to set it here, and then if you were in the audience, if there was somebody here, I would say, why don't you go ahead and cut the cards anywhere you'd like? And you could go like that. I could say, great, now look, all of these cards you could have picked, but you stopped on this specific card. For instance, this one's the 5 of diamonds. Remember how I said I made a prediction before we began? We'll check it out. The 5 of diamonds. Now I'm going to show you how that works. It's very simple. It's something called a card force. It involves something called the crisscross force. Now I have an indifferent card because I have multiple decks. But if you don't, you can write on a piece of paper and hand it out. You can do different things. What you need to do is figure out a way to reveal the card that's being selected. Now, what people don't know, but what you do know, is that the 5 of diamonds is on top of the deck. That's your force card. So now when an audience member comes in and cuts the cards, you then pick up this pack, which is the bottom stock, and you just show them. You could have picked any one of these cards, but you stopped and you cut right to this specific card. Now what you've just done, effectively, is this is the exposed view. We have the 5 of diamonds, you cut it, you show these, and that's just called a time delay. And so a time delay basically acts as something where you miscommunicate or you disconnect what was going on. Because really all you're doing is that. And so then you go, now look, you could have chosen any card, but you selected the 5 of diamonds. And it matches my prediction perfectly. Once again, go really slow. 5 of diamonds on top. The audience doesn't know that. They cut the cards. You show these as a time delay. You set it down crisscross, hence the name. And then you do a little talk. You say, look, I left this card right here in the beginning, or this piece of paper. Go ahead and check out that card. 5 of diamonds, look. The 5 of diamonds, a miracle.